Okay, so pretty much what we got going on today is we are installing a bow tie visor, 13 on the sides, 9 inches on the metal. So first thing that we went and did, we removed the old visor. Also on the sides, used to have rivets. So pretty much what we're doing right now, we're getting rid of the rivets. We're putting threads. So in case that he has to remove the visor to replace the windshield or something, it's easy to remove. Also, we're gonna be greasing everything pretty much. It's gonna be preventing everything for the future, like if it has to be removed or anything like that, it's gonna be easy for the client. Once we're finished doing this, we're gonna jump in and we're gonna be throwing in a set of window chops as well. So I believe that this is the second truck that we have done for him. And then pretty much his next appointment is gonna be for the bumper. So once we get finished with this, next time he's coming back for the bumper, just like he did on the last truck. But stay tuned so you can see how it looks. Pretty much we just finished this Peterbilt 379. It's a 2006. So pretty much how you guys can see, it's got a big sleeper. This is a 132-inch sleeper. It comes with a bathroom, pretty much everything. So what we ended up doing this time was we replaced the doors. We put a new floor. We did all the leather on the back. We got new LED lights. We did the cushion too as well. New curtains, pretty much everything was out of the truck. We put out the new leather and then we put everything back in. Pretty much on the cap, what we did, we took the dash out, we painted on gray, and then we matched the blue of the panels with the exterior of the truck that is blue. So pretty much matching paint. We did the seats, we added a new headliner, we did the dome lights as well, pretty much everything. Also, he did this, the client got this tall shifter. We got a swap for him. We got new pedals too as well. Pretty much you name it, we did it. Everything is it's been a long process. This is something that is a first for us because of the size of the sleeper. The way that they built this truck, pretty much you cannot get to the back unless you take everything out. So it was pretty hard. Other than that, I mean, I believe that it came out pretty good. It looks clean now. When he got to us, he had a water leak, couple things going on. So pretty much everything has already been fixed. Hope that you guys like what we did.